use that?
I thought you'd be faster. I've never used this in my life.
Okay, let's put it down.
Hold on. Can you put this up for me?
I've been waiting the whole time for you to start doing construction. I put it crooked and you yell at me. Thank you.
I hope you're not doing what I think you're doing.
I'm fine.
What are you doing? I'm not doing that. Why are you
Why
doing
not?
Uh-uh.
Why not?
What are you
I'm quite
doing with
capable
wearing
of
that?
putting-
Shut up.
Stop. What?
What is behind your back?
Nothing. Baby, I want.